Okay, good morning, guys. How you doing? This is Phone Tech and Create. Well, it's been a long way and long time. Like I've missed you guys. Hope you guys didn't miss me much. Okay, so I'm very sorry for not being like for not updating you guys more on crypto updates. Okay, I've been really busy with some kind of project, but I guess I'm back and I'm back fully. So sorry, before I proceed, like I'll just quickly want to introduce you guys to a crypto class coming soon. It's coming on the April 10th of next month. That's next month on the 10th of next month, which is April 2022. So it's gonna be starting then, and it's going to happen on a WhatsApp close group and a Zoom the Zoom meeting. That's we have a Zoom live and a WhatsApp group. So that's where the venue is. So I hope you guys won't miss this. It's gonna be a very loving class and intensive teaching class because we're gonna cover crypto trading and DeFi academy. Like we cover DeFi updates too. Also, I believe you know what DeFi is. It's decentralized finance, and you know what crypto trading is. It's decentralized finance. So we're gonna teach you guys more on all that, how to trade on Binance, how to trade on other exchanges, how to trade on DeFi and also decentralized exchanges. So kindly check the next post, then I will drop the update on that and you message the contact there on how to get started for more inquiries. Thanks, guys.